Anointing you did not believe does not work for you. That anointing you did not cherish, the anointing does not work for you. Brethren, the oil you did not serve, the oil cannot serve you. The oil you did not honor, the oil cannot honor you. But I prophesy today, the double impact anointing that will cause the change in your life, that will take you to the top, that will make things to work. They might have laughed at you yesterday, but today, oil is falling upon you. A double oil is falling upon you. Let them mock at you, but I see you coming out. Let them mock at you. I see you rising up. Let them mock at you. Something great is about to happen.
He don't change, he don't change. Everything has changed. He don't change, he don't change. In the
Two child around you, two children, a boy and a girl. I don't know how to pronounce this name, Joshua, but the spelling goes like this, something like O-D-I or so. Is it D-I or B-I? O-D.
It's right there.
I hear a name like Christ. Are you Christ?
Can you celebrate prophecy?
You are Christ.
by might you have done for me what no man can do. So this is my song, I'm grateful. My heart is full now. Spreading the news, no paper. Your power is greater. Now I'm telling my story, the story of glory.